So this is the open page of the Logisim. So here we can find all the gates. Then by we get the multiplexer, demultiplexer, decoder in the plexers. Then for few experiments we will use the memory, nothing but our flip-flops that will be present in the memory. Right? D flip flop, JK and SR. In the base, you will get the poke tool, edit and select tool, both are same, and the same will be present in the panel also. The first you want to proceed with the gates. Select a AND gate, and when you are placing the AND gate, it comes with 5 inputs. It's not required. For our experiment, mostly it will get through 2, 3, or 4. First, we verify the 2 input AND gate. To change this gate, the 2 input gate, we have to select the gate. Then the properties of the gate will be open in this area. Then select the number of inputs. Then select 2. Then put on 2 input switches and 1 output switch. Right? Just by clicking this point, you can get the circle 2, and click and drag. You can able to dot the wires. Right? Then for changing the inputs, you have to switch to the poke tool. So click on poke tool, then both are 1. You can get the output as 1. Project, analyze circuit. Here we can able to get the expression is A dot B and table for the same, and output variable is assigned X, and input variable are assigned as A and B. So if you close this, then if you want to add the label by yourself, again go to the select tool, click on here, label location and label. So A, now B for other pin, then for output pin, automatically it's going for the output phase, that is east, then C. Right, now you go for project, analyze circuit. So it's changing by whatever the variables you changed now. So input, output, table, a new table was formed, then expression and minimized expression. So likewise, we can able to place XOR gate on the down. Again, you have to change this to 2 inputs. Then you connect the same inputs here. So B, A, then now I will name the label of this is yes or sum, because when we are getting close the XOR gate and AND gate together, it will be called your half adder. So half adder, this variable is called sum and this variable is carry. So I will rename this as carry. Fine. Then now you change. If any input is 1, select the poke tool to change the input variables. If any input is 1, then it will be sum equal to 1. If both are 1, sum equal to 0 and carry equal to 1. Both are 0, both are 0. Right? Both your outputs are 0. Then again go for project, analyze circuits. Then inputs are A and B, outputs are sum and carry. You can get the truth table, the same truth table what is there in your manual. Then expression for carry is here and expression for sum is here. Okay, thank you.